We have our downtrend signal there. Looks good to me. There's a $100 scalp there. And let's go to a different time frame. All right, we're going to be doing some scalping today, folks. It is Friday, February 23rd, 2024, and we're using our indicator, of course, Happy Trader, and we're waiting for some signals. Let's see if we can find some signals. Yeah, there's one there, downtrend, but it looks a little weak. We do have 2 out of 3 indexes up, and it is 3:06 p.m. on a Friday, so we need to be cognizant of that and well aware of that. If we look at the VOLD, advanced decline volume, let's see what we have. Yeah, I mean, we're kind of, chilling on the advanced decline volume. Looks like it's probably going to finish to the upside, and I highly doubt it's going to hook all the way back down. And let's go back to our NASDAQ, and we're going to put a trade on, and we're going to do a series of scalps. Keep an eye down here on the time. This is UTC5, so this is 3:07 p.m. just to give you a heads up. We're trading power hour. I might skip around in this video a little bit to get to the good stuff and give you a little montage of some scalps. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So let's get down to the 1 minute chart, see if we can get a signal. Nah, it just doesn't look like it really wants to. Let's get down to the second range. Okay, yeah, there we go. We got something there. We're going to use 2 contracts of the NASDAQ to the downside. Let's go ahead and put that on. We have our downtrend signal there. Looks good to me. There's a $100 scalp there. And let's go to a different time frame. Let's go like a 15-second time frame. Still downtrend signal there too. What about the 10? Yeah, downtrend signal there too. Okay. And whoa, everything's got a downtrend signal. That's crazy. 1 second chart's going kind of nuts. Let's go back up to the 30-second chart. Oof, that's a nasty little sell-off, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like it's going to go down more. Let's take that. Man, that's crazy. Okay. We're going to take that trade. 190. On to the next. We're just hopping around between different time frames. See the S&P 500 about to go negative. Uh-oh. Looks like it might dump. Oh man, this is looking bearish. This definitely needs to turn around fast. If this starts to go negative and the S&P dumps, that's gonna be a problem. This is looking bearish as far as Happy Trader. It's looking bullish on the advanced decline volume. It was looking bullish a minute ago on the indexes, but now it's just not looking bullish. 5 seconds. Oh man, that's looking bearish. Oof. All right, we have to take the short. It's looking too bearish. We're gonna take a continuation. This thing's gonna dump. Oh my goodness. It's gonna go down way more. It's gonna go down way more. Let's go 30-second. Oh man, that's nasty. Look at that. So you have this sell signal, and then you have our Happy Trader downtrend signal right here. This is a high amplitude signal. This thing's going down. Apologies if you can hear my French bulldog snoring about 10 feet away. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was super high amplitude. Oh man, I don't even know if we want to get out of this trade or what. SP about to go negative. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we got out too late on that one. Let's wait for the pullback. We're going to reload short on that one. Oh man. Is it going to squeeze? Oh, tell me we get a gamma squeeze to the upside. No, that looks so weak. There's no way. Gotta short it. We're going to take that little crevice as a pullback. What we're going to do here, we went in with 2 units. We're going to short using 4. We're dollar cost average if we get to about here. And then we'll put our cost basis about here. Let's see. All right, we want to watch the SP4. Okay. It looks like it really wants to dump. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Man, we closed that just like a hair too late. All right, let's hop around again to another time frame. See if we can find another signal. Cool thing about happy traders, you can just look at different time frames. Oh man. Okay, let's try a scalp. We're gonna use only one contract this time though. Sell market. These are very, very small scalps. We don't want to get blown out. Uh-oh. Weak buy signal, weak sell signal, uptrend signal. Prevailing looks to be short. Let's get off this 1 second chart. Let's get back out to the macro view here so we can see what's happening. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fall right through. We're gonna be ready to close our trade out when it does. Mm, there it goes. SP just dumped. Let's see if it goes to 3. Yep, it did. We're gonna take that $115 scalp. All right, let's find another trade. And again, without happy trader, we don't know what the heck's going on. Let's go ahead and, we want to find a fresh signal to trade. We don't really, unless we get a huge pullback. Let's see what the Voldy's doing. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, and we're actually just going to reset the chart view. And we're going to just look at the Voldy curve. Oh man, look at that. So, we opened negative and then it got bought up all day, and oh man, somebody sold. Somebody sold big here. Oh, somebody sold big there. Then it went up and it looks like it's gonna, oh man, it could really curl down into to close here. SP is not going up. I think buying's exhausted at this point. Let's go back to the NASDAQ. Oh man. Wow. So yeah, on Fridays, stuff like this can happen where there's so much consolidation happening on a Friday, especially on an OPEX for a stock like Nvidia. Even though we're trading the NASDAQ, think about the weighting of that. So let's put Happy Trader back on so we can see what the heck's going on with the market. Oh man, that's a vicious, vicious downtrend signal. Let's drill down a little bit here. A little bit of an uptrend there on the 1 second chart. Little scalp. I like it. Oh, wow. Okay. And this is why Fridays during power hour are the time to do a video. So it is what it is. I don't know that we'll take another trade. It's 3:16 p.m. I don't know that we'll take another trade. We need a good setup. Market's getting bought up now all of a sudden. That's really weird. I'm gonna take a stab at it. Let's take a stab at it. This is gonna be a real tight trade. One contract. Any signs of selling, we're closing this trade immediately. Yeah, I just can't. No, I just can't. Just can't. 65. Let's look for another. Look for another trade. Oh my goodness. Oh man, what a disaster. I don't know. I mean, I think this market could gap down over the weekend, but I'm not gonna try to short it. Looks like the SP's recovering a little bit. This market is super confused. Oh, we got something resembling an uptrend signal there with a pullback on the 10-second chart. I kind of like that actually. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let's go ahead and take it. It's not the highest amplitude signal, so this could easily reverse. What we're going to do is dollar cost into this one though. So we're only in on one contract, which for me that's small. You can use the micro Nasdaq, the MNQ if it's too big a size for you, but we're just scalping. Now what I like to do is when we get our buy signal, our Lumitrend, our uptrend signal, if it's not really super close, that means it's going to be more of a scalping situation. I'm not going to want to ride that one out as long. Different time frames mean different stuff. But, generally speaking, those moves can run out of steam. If we get the potential sell signal, we'll just flat out the trade. But we're actually going to wait to do that. Let's go ahead and leg into this trade a little bit. There we go. We got our cost basis down. Did you see the blue line? It dropped. Yeah, we're going to get out for a profit, 30 profit. It's just really hard to tell on that one. I don't know if we have time for one more. Let's see. Uh, yeah, we're going to leave it there, folks. Ryan from Trader. Have a great weekend.